Hello guys, this is Ben Asare. Welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you've really heard about um, all the noise about ChatGPT, but it's very cool. I mean, I'm just going to illustrate with a simple Excel formula. So on your left side of the screen, on my left side of the screen, I have some student records, right? It may be million rows or 1,000 rows. I've just shortened it to like 72 rows of data, right? And I actually want to do is that I just want to put a remark here. So I have some empty um, scores, right? So with these empty scores, the students didn't turn up for the exams, or for some reason it wasn't recorded. So I just want to remark here. So wherever I have the scores, it will be remarked complete. Wherever I don't have any scores, it will remark incomplete, right? But say I have um 500 rows, I cannot be typing everything, right? So I just want a formula that will just input incomplete, complete here, and then I'll be good to go. So I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to give me a formula. So I'm just going to type from column C3 to C whatever. What's the last column? What's the last row? C72. I want a formula that will input in column D3 to, I'm just gonna say D3 to D72, incomplete for blank cells and complete for cells with a number, say for example. So that's very simple language, not very technical. So I'm just going to wait for ChatGPT to do its thing. So it's just telling me. Ooh, that is it. That is it. It hasn't even finished, but I know that, I mean, the simple, because I already have some idea, right? So I know I'm just going to copy this and drag it down as it's saying. So I'm just going to put it here. And so it's actually telling me that I should put it in D3, right? Here, it's telling me to put the formula in D3. So I'll just paste it there. And then it's telling me to drag it. So I'll just double click it. And my job is done. How cool is this? This is so cool. I mean, this is a very simple formula. I mean, I understand they can even write codes. I mean, but this is actually very good, right? It will make life very easy for beginners or people who want to learn how to code. This is so good. All right. So guys, thank you for watching. See you on the next.